Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. This is Chinu Thakur, and as you know that I am sharing a various kind of foreign examination and other examinations also on this channel. So BPTS Bar Professional Training Course UK is a worldwide known paper, and Sourav Sir Classes had launched a new course related to the preparation of this paper. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the summary of this paper, what the sections of this paper is, and how Sourav Sir Classes will help you to get a good score in this. Okay, so let's start our video, and I hope you like the video. If you like this video, so just click on like button and subscribe also. Just click the bell button also so that you can receive all notification which is generated by the Sourav Sir Classes. Okay, so let's start our classes. So guys, this examination is important if you want to be a part of bar professional in UK. So basically, the bar professional training course BPTC is a postgraduate course in the UK which is designed for students aiming to become barristers. Yes, if you want to become barristers, then this is for you. It is a mandatory program for those who wish to be called to the bar in England and Wales. Okay, so key component of the BPTSC. Yes, key component means what are the essential part of this examination. So I have mentioned all the important component of BPTSC, but not in a very detailed manner because which is the important part I just mentioned for them. So advocacy is practical training in court procedure and the art of presenting cases, then civil and criminal litigations, understanding civil and criminal law process. Then they have to know about drafting also, because learning to draft legal document such as statement of case and pleading, all these things are important. Then professional ethics, like knowledge of the ethical standards required in legal practice, and conference skill is also important, like preparing and conducting conference with client. Okay, so all these important part or key component, like opinion writing, developing written legal opinion and analyzing cases, then negotiation skills required to negotiate settlement and disputes also. As you know that most of the matters will be goes in like a negotiate and the settlements. Okay, then these are the key component for this examination. Now the thing is how Sourav Sir class will help you. Okay, so Sourav Sir class have perfect course plan strategy to get good score. So what course plan Sourav Sir classes for BPTC preparations are, I'm just mentioned there in like an introduction manner only. That video is not taking so much time. So phase 1 we have foundation module, and in phase 1 we have like introduction to the legal system and procedure, then professional ethics also there, case studies and ethics exam. So these are the important point. Okay, so in phase 2 we have core advocacy skills, like practically advocacy training is also there, drafting legal documents are also there. So these are the important part related with phase 2, and in phase 3 we have advanced legal practice. Okay, so conference and negotiation skills, opening writing, opinion writing. So all these are the part of this. Then phase 4 we have final intensive preparation, that will be 4 weeks program which focus on revision and test strategies. Okay, so apart from this we have exam preparation and revision time for extra time period, or for that we are just focusing on additional support, that is online resources and recording sessions, access to repository of resource for self-study, mentorship program also there, like personalized feedback and mentoring from experienced barristers. Exam strategies, we have time management techniques so that you can complete your exam in a right time phase, and then tackling multiple choice questions and oral also on the right tenure or the right time phases also, because time is important guys, because be on time is right. So thank you so much. This is all about this paper. In next video I'm giving you some more information related to some other examination as well. So if you want to be a part of Sourav Sir classes, just connect with the administrative team, or just give your comment in a comment section. We'll contact you, and our administrative team will contact you as soon as possible. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet soon.